Hey guys, what is up? It is Ashley. So, today's video, we are going to do what is in my school bag video. So if you are new here, please hit that little icon thing at the bottom of the screen. I don't know where it is. I never know where it is. Just hit it. And turn on post notifications so you'll always be notified whenever I upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. By the way, it's FriDIY. Pretty happy about that. And if you are new here, we are doing a YouTube controls my first day of school. And my first day of school is on September 4th. So please check out the iCard somewhere up here, and later in the video the question will be in the video too. So answer the question either in the comments or in the iCard with your answer. And I believe today's question is, what should I have for breakfast on the first day of school? So let's get into this video. Be close to you. Can I be close to you? Here's my beautiful backpack. It's got Tinkerbell. She's one of my favorite Disney characters. Yeah, we got a lot in common. Yeah. We're both magical. Okay, anyways. Enough of that. Okay, so what is in my school bag? Let's find out. Okay, so I got a coloring book. Obviously, people, that was backwards. People who know me know that I love coloring. Who doesn't? So we got that. Right. I'm going to put some, like, stress balls and, fidgets and stuff in here later, but apparently I don't have that in here right now. Okay, so this may look like a pencil pouch, but it is an emergency kit. Every girl needs one of these. We all need one of these. Alright, so what is in here? Earbuds. This looks like a mint container. It is my earbuds. It helps keep my earbuds organized. Yeah, watch one of my previous videos to see how I made that. Phone charger, very important. Phone jack for my phone charger. I totally bedazzled this. That was pretty fun. Lip balm. Who can't go wrong with emoji lip balm? Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. This was from their Christmas winter collection. Tic Tacs. Everybody needs Tic Tacs. These are the orange flavored ones. I love the orange flavored ones. And for all of you girls out there, pads and whatever else. Panty liners, whatever you guys need. So we're going to put all this stuff back in here. I'm just throwing this back in here because there's no way to do this. There. That was beautiful. Done with it. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is I have a bunch of color pencils in here. And I have the color pencils are literally just sitting in the bottom of the bag right now. And I have my emoji phone charger. Portable charger. Yeah. And then I have my emoji. You can hear my color pencils in there. Wow. I have my emoji little pencil pouches. I got my pens and an eraser in here. Yeah. So that's pretty much what is in my school bag. So if you like this video, once again, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below, and what else? Turn on post notifications, all that fun jazz. And I hope you guys have a flawless day. And stay flawless.